Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. So we're sitting in a 2012 Hyundai Accent. Is it an Accent or a Elantra? Let me make sure. Accent. Picked this one up off a line for. This camera look extra crispy. Like even though this window's so dirty, it just looks so extra crispy and clear out that window. Man, these cameras are getting so good. But yeah, I picked this one up off a line for 1150, so 1,150. Interior is not too bad. It does need a, you know, let me stop. So interior is not like really bad. Like probably just needs to be wiped down. But I'll just take it to the detail shop. Let them spruce it up. Because it looks like somebody that was working on cars, like a person that works on cars, and looked like they just touched that and just kind of just stained it up a little bit. But it does. 178 on the miles, no check engine lights, just a little tire pressure. I don't know if it's gonna go off or not, but it maybe go off. Gotta make sure the radio work. Got the eco mode. Look like some aftermarket cruise control, but maybe it's factory. You never know. Let me let that window down because I got to replace these door handles. So it's got good rubber on there. It is missing a lug, so get that fixed. That ain't that big of a deal. You can get that fixed. But it's got good set of tires all around. It came from Texas, where a majority of my cars will. Like if y'all see, a majority of my cars will come from Texas. Texas is a big market. They buy and sell a lot of cars. And this stuff broke off too. Huh. That studs broke off too. So we had two studs that need to be fixed. We got good tires all the way around. So originally came from Oklahoma, then ended up probably in Texas, because Oklahoma Patriot, that's here in Oklahoma. So they probably bought it in Oklahoma, moved to Texas, then bought another car in Texas. But yeah, we're gonna have to get this fender fixed. Not sure if I wanna, because if y'all see, like this part is like sun faded, so I'll probably have to get the whole bumper repainted. But maybe I can just get like one of those little bras, like one of those little bras that go from like here to here to cover the whole front up. Maybe that'll save me some money than getting the whole bumper repainted. Put that little bra on, a little bug catcher bra that's black that goes across there, and then that'll cover this spot up too. If I can't go to the salvage yard and find one, that'll cover that up. And then we'll get the fender fixed. Then we'll get some hubcaps that are like black. So then we'll go with a black and blue combo. So we'll put a black bra on there. Then after we fix those little studs, find some black hubcaps and put some black hubcaps on there. Then we go with a little black and blue combination. Then we find some black seat covers to put on there after it gets detailed. Even though it's tan, but we trying to do as much as blue and black as possible. Or maybe we'll find a tan. I don't know. Maybe tan will look pretty bad. But let me know in the comment section below. But we is gonna replace the door handles. Got to get some studs for the wheels. So let me know in the comment section below. So I just go ahead and because I think that little bug catcher come out a lot cheaper than me getting this whole bumper repainted. But I know I gotta pay Wilson to fix this, so I'm gonna get the price either way. But let me know in the comment section below, would you just fix the fender with the bumper, or would you just go ahead and just fix the fender? Because I know this, I don't really see them blue. I don't really see many blue Hyundais. So I know the salvage yard probably don't got one. But I'm going to check the salvage yard first just to see if I can just remotely get lucky and just find one that's a matching color. But I usually don't see the blue ones. So be more than likely I don't get lucky. But hey, you never know. But has 178,000 miles, runs and drives good, heat and everything work. Like I said, I paid $11.50 for it. Probably gonna have to put, I'm gonna say I'm gonna just say $500 to $600 more dollars in it. You know, $500 to $600 more dollars. Then I can sell it for 35 and up. You know, like 35 is where it'd be the starting price. But just say if I go have 1600 in it, you know, sell it for $3,000, still make 14. Oh, as long as I can make over $1,000, I'm fine. But you know, try to make more than that. But $1,000 is where, and I think that's a fair enough. If I sold it, like say I got 1600, I end up selling it for 25, 26, 2800. That's more than a fair deal for somebody, and I make some money. And then if I can get to 35, you know, make 1600, even better deal. And maybe it doesn't cost that much to fix it. You know, maybe I don't cost that much to fix that fender, and then put the little bra on, and maybe I'll come out cheaper. But I'm just saying $500 to $600 on the high end. So then we go wide view. You know, get a good. You know, we gotta go get it. I like this blue though. I like this blue. Like this blue I like it. So that's why it's gonna, like, blue, new tires. That's why we're gonna sell it, because this blue is different. You know, you can always see the comment like white, black, silver, you know, bronze, but you don't really see the blue. So maybe that might cost me, because maybe that blue paint cost more. I kind of wonder what happened right here. That's just random that the fender just looks like that. Like, did somebody like kick it, or did they like scrape something, side swipe? But then it's like they side swipe something, then the bumper should have been messed up, or maybe, I don't know. It's kind of weird that part is just messed up like that. Like, that's the only damage on the car. Like, that fender right there is just messed up. It's kind of weird. But yeah, we got that. Then we come with the closer view. Let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm gonna take it, get this door handle fixed. I'm probably take it to go get the oil change and fluids topped off first. Because when I take it to the body shop, because I know I always take it to the oil change and detail first. Because I know when I go to the body shop, take it to Wilson, they play, like, his shop, it has like all that paint stuff, and then all that stuff flies up. So the interior of these cars just be really dirty. So I'm gonna just go get the oil change, all the fluids topped off, oil change, then run it to Wilson, let him do his thing. Or while I get the oil change, get the little studs on the wheels fixed too. Have them fix that. Then go grab an oil change, like while they doing the oil change, have them fix the little studs. You know, fix that real quick. Oil change, top off all the fluids. Then we run it down to Wilson, let him do his thing. Then we order either I end up thinking which one cheaper. Either I go get the little bra for the front, or that. And then I get some little hubcaps to slap on here. Then it's ready to go. It's out there ready to go. 3,500. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Make sure y'all drop what y'all are selling for in the comments. Also, let me know if this was a good deal. And also, don't forget to subscribe. That's subscribing, dropping comments, hitting the like button. All that stuff helps my channel keep going into the algorithm. And as my channel keep going in the algorithm, we keep growing. Then we'll reach 5,000 subscribers. Then I'll look up, I'll be at 10,000. And then who knows, I'll be at 20, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. And maybe I'll be at 100,000. And then I'll have a plaque. And then we'll all be going celebrating. And, you know, everything, all that, all because of y'all. So I appreciate everybody. So if y'all watching, just smash that like button and also hit the subscribe. It means a lot. Appreciate it. I'm out. Peace.